Hi and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an event in Google Calendar, add a Google Meet link, and invite others to join. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. On the top left, click the Create button. That's the one with the plus sign. From the drop-down, select Event. Now fill in your event details. Gram your event a title, for example, Review Budget. Choose the correct date and time. Did fold it's a recurring event, click Does Not Repeat to change it to weekly, monthly, or custom. I'm going with weekly, so this meeting repeats every week. Next, let's add the Google Meet link. Click the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. A link will be generated automatically for your meeting. Now let's invite others. Normal the right side under Add Guests. Type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add multiple people. They'll receive the event details and meet link via email. You can also ample a location, treat it a description or agenda for the meeting. I'll go ahead and add an agenda. You can also attach files like documents or slides, but for this example, I won't be attaching any. Once everything is ready, click Save. You'll be asked if you want to send invitations. Click Send so everyone gets notified. And that's it. Your event is now on the calendar, your guests are invited, and your Google Meet link is ready to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.